card.
I didn't know it was even possible to get a K in gym class.
My grades would be way better if I didn't have to spend my time fending off cats. But I've got a plan. All I gotta do is ace the science test tomorrow. Then I'll show Dad my perfect test, along with the report card, and they'll cancel each other out.
Sounds easy enough.
Hey! My report card!
Whoa. I think I'm gonna hurl.
Give it back! I forgot about that trick.
No, Kitty! Wait!
What's this, Mr. Cat? A report card?
Uh-oh.
You know, Coop, I've been putting some serious thought into extending your bedtime.
Wow, Dad, you're the greatest!
But with grades like this, how can I? I didn't even know it was possible to get a K in gym class.
Oh. But...
And don't even think about blaming it on Mr. Cat.
Fine. Look, Dad, these grades are old news. If I ace my science test tomorrow, it'll totally bring my grades back up.
Well, I guess my decision can wait till I see how you do on this test.
I'll be the perfect student and study all night and won't let anything distract me.
That's the Burtonburger spirit!
I'm on it. First, a little cat early warning system. Now, to get down to some serious studying. Pendulum. A weight hung from a fixed point so that it can swing freely back and forth under the influence of gravity. Inertia. The tendency for an object in motion to remain in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Okay. Okay. Concentrate! Centrifugal force. The outward force of a spinning object. That's good for now. Just a small snack and I'll hit the books again.
I win! If you lose 'cause I win, who won? I won!
And that's not annoying.
How's the studying going, champ?
The test is in the bag. Yes! I got him now!
Good to see him so enthusiastic.
What have you been up to? That's weird. What? Eraser attack! Rotten cat. Perfection. Ew. Come on!
Do you mind? We are trying to have a dance party!
And I'm trying to study, Millie! Can you turn it down?
Sorry! Mr. Cat's in charge of the music, so there's nothing I can do!
I can't even hear myself think!
Maybe because there's nothing to hear!
A little music isn't gonna stop me. Gravity, the powerful force that pulls us all toward the Earth. Well, that's pretty easy. Boring, but easy. No! stop sniffing delicious smelling smells that smell so good. Wow! Turkey and warm milk!
Coop, you're supposed to be studying, not basting a 12-pound bird. What are you doing with pillows in your ears?
Millie was playing her music way too loud.
Well, sounds like she's quieted down now. Turkey, warm milk, and pumpkin pie? Well, this'll knock me out like a light. Don't study too late, sport.
Just as soon as I have a little snack. Okay, I'm getting up.
Sleepwalking again, Burtonburger? That's the sign of a warped brain!
I slept in?
Yeah, you slept in. My bird bath!
Oh no! I've got a bus to catch! Went the wrong way!
From the day you were born!
Oh no! Okay, I can study on the bus. No sweat. Just need to get dressed. Cat sewed up all my clothes? Fine then. Ha! See? 5 minutes till the bus arrives. Easy peasy. You kidding me? Oh, you are not kidding. I want to get out, but I'm being pulled down by some strange invisible force. Wait, that's gravity. If I can't go up, I'll let gravity take me down. Yes! Now to catch the bus. Hey, these are pendulums. I can calculate the swing of their arcs. There's no way you're messing up my test now, Cat. Ha! I just needed to get into the swing of things. Thanks, Cat. Come on, open up.
Is your brother up yet?
No, I'm gonna miss the bus. No, wait! Yeah, woohoo! Nothing can stop me now. Except maybe a hyper-fast freak cat! It's time you learn the concept of centrifugal force, cat! The powerful outward force of a spinning object! We use it to play grab the wheel! Yeah! Come on, Coop! You can do it!
Hey, who said you could use my wagon to?
Oh no! Inertia! Now I get it!
Way to go, Coop. I thought you were gonna miss the big test.
No way! And believe it or not, Cat helped me study.
A B+? Way to go, Coop! You came through with flying colors.
I even got the bonus question right. Displacement of water. Whoops!
Now look what you've done. Mr. Cat, come back!
Tell you what, Coop. Once you fix this hole, put the boulder out with the trash, and apologize to your sister, you've got your later bedtime.
Thanks, Dad, but I'm going to bed right now. It's been a long day.
I give him a later bedtime and he goes to bed early. I should have tried that years ago. Get a move on, Coop. We're clearing out the crawl space. Time to give this box of old Bootsville buglers the boot.
Daddy! My toast have crust on them!
Yeah, I'll trim them off in a jiffy, honey. Coop, can you take this old news to the curb?
This could be bad news for my back. Fishy frisky bits. I found his secret stash. Hey, cat. Need some help picking up your kitty treats? Okay. Saved you one. Uh-oh. My history report! No!
Oh, Daddy! Guess what Coop did at school today?
Millie, it's not nice to tap.
He got an F on his history report.
Unless it involves your brother and failing grades.
It wasn't my fault! The cat trashed my report! I taped it back together, but the scraps got mixed up.
In 1492, Queen Isabella discovered Columbus eating Thanksgiving turkey in his ships, the Nina, the Panda, and the Santa Claus. That's wrong, right?
Why does bad stuff always happen to me? Why did that cat have to happen to me?
Negative thinking gets you nowhere. You've got to think positive, Coop.
Okay, I'm positive bad things happen to me.
I think I've got just the thing to help you. Old self-help motivational tapes.
Tapes? I've heard of them, but I've never actually seen one. I'm okay. Everyone else needs help.
Sounds perfect.
A little help here? Just fall asleep and our subliminal slogans will change your life. Well, I got nothing to lose.
It's okay. Problems don't bother me. I will not give in to negative thinking. There is no catastrophe I cannot overcome.
I don't feel any different. But that's okay. Problems don't bother me. Morning, cat.
Daddy! Coop took all the good cereal.
That's okay. I will not give in to negative thinking. You can have the Major Munch, Millie. I wanted to try Munchy Honey Bumps of Crunch anyway.
Good for you, Coop.
No! I want Munchy Honey Bumps of Crunch!
Burtonburger! You stop that racket!
Good morning, Mrs. Munson. You're looking a lovely shade of purple today.
Oh, why, thank you.
There is no catastrophe I cannot overcome.
You're in a good mood for someone who got an F on his history report.
When you embrace the positive, you'll see that you and me are free to be the we that we were meant to be.
Looks like the nerdlinger forgot to put on a shirt.
I'm getting the coolest lens flare off his pasty white chest.
That's okay. I will not feed my fears. Do you have your Winky Ink Rainbow marker set on you?
Mm-hmm. All 10 magical hues.
Bootsville Beagles! Go, dogs, go! All right! Woo! Yeah!
Go, dogs, go!
Yeah! Bootsville Beagles! Woo, woo, woo! Go, dogs, go! Woo, woo, woo! Go, dogs, go! Dad? Dad! I had the best day ever! That self-help tape actually worked!
That's great, Coop.
Nothing's gonna stop me now.
Problems don't bother me. I will not give in to negative thinking. Problems bother me. Problems bother me. I will give in to negative thinking. Catastrophe, feed my fears.
It's another great... Whoa! The floor is so far down. That's not okay. Problems bother me.
Morning, Coop. I got you a brand new box of Major Munch.
What if I choke? Or developed a sudden allergy to milk? That's not okay. It's a catastrophe. Look at all that spilled milk.
Crybaby.
There he is, Lauren.
Coop, to the Bootsville Beagle victory mark with us. Bootsville Beagle, it's dark in here. Catastrophe! Catastrophe! Problems bother me!
Keep it down! I'm trying to watch the old and the toothless!
It's time to give in to negative thinking!
Coop, what's wrong?
Everything!
I will feed the cat as much food as he wants. What cat wants? Cat gets obey the cat. Obey the cat.
There is no catastrophe I can overcome. More furniture.
Problems bother me. I will give in to negative thinking. Catastrophe, feed my fears.
So, that cat's been playing me.
I will feed the cat. I will feed the cat. Must feed the cat. Must feed the cat.
Dad?
Feed the cat. Feed the cat. What cat wants, cat gets.
Cat! Anger frightens me. I've got to save Dad! But problems bother me. The only way to beat Cat is to be as evil as he is! But that's not okay. I'm a good kid. But in order to be good, I've got to be bad. For Dad!
No one messes with me. I'm your worst nightmare. You got a problem with that punk, do ya? No one messes with me.
Coop, when did you switch from gum to hard candy?
Ever since I wised up, buddy boy, the only way to fight a bad cat is to be an even badder Coop.
Is that your dad's leather jacket?
Now that's what I call walk the dogs. Now give me your lunch money.
I told you to stay off my
Zip it, Grandma, or your gnomes are gonna take a one-way trip to the bottom of your wishing well.
Coop, you've changed.
So what's it to ya, Denise?
Ow! Not cool, Coop.
Wow, Daddy! Mr. Cat will be so happy with all these yummy treats.
What cat wants, cat gets.
Listen up, wussy cat. This little box of kitty treats is all mine. Got it?
Coop! Have you seen Coop? Coop, we gotta talk. It's no good you being bad. Remember me, Dennis? Hey, what's with all the cat treats?
Must feed the cat.
Wait for me, Daddy.
Come on, Coop. We used to share a playpen together.
Not anymore. I'm in charge around here now.
You got a problem with that, punk?
You're still good! You're tearing me apart!
What? What are we doing in here?
That was not funny, Coop.
It was the self-help tape, Dad! It turned me bad.
At least this time you didn't blame the cat. It's a start. I'm positively proud of you, son.
I'm still your worst nightmare. Yup, I'm feeling more positive by the minute.